Alright, today we're making a salad. The first thing we're going to do is obviously clean the surface that we're cooking on, because it's honestly the most important part of cooking, because you don't want to get any bacteria or diseases. Then we're going to get out the cutting board and the knife, and we're going to have some tomatoes and apples and cucumbers and carrots and some salad mix, some peas, and some baby spinach that we're not going to end up using. So what we're first going to do is we're going to cut up that salad mix into some bite-sized pieces so we don't have to battle the big leaves in our mouths. And we just cut that up. Then we're going to add that salad mix into our salad bowl. Once we're done with this salad bowl adding, we're going to cut up this cucumber into little triangles and add that to that salad mix. Then the apple we're going to add just for that little extra fruity flavor. Once we're done with the apple, we're going to cut up these pea pods and just add them for the nutritious benefit of peas. Then carrots for eyesight, and then we're going to have this tomato. Shout out Nicole for teaching me how to use a serrated knife to not squish the tomatoes. And then once we're done with those tomatoes, we're going to add some honey roasted almonds and sprinkle those on top. Add a little more just because they're so darn good. And then last but not least, we're going to add some balsamic cranberry light dressing. And that's how I make my daily salad.